name is Achal Davda from New Era Global School. So now start the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God for world so sweet. Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for bird that sing. Thank you God for everything. Now open your eyes. And now classwork time. So first phonic sound. So A for apple. What is the phonic sound of A? Yes. A. B for ball. B. C for cat. K. D for dog. D. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. G. H for horse. I for ice cream. E. J for jug. K for kite. K. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. O. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yard. Z for zebra. What is the phonic sound of Z? What is the phonic sound of M? What is the phonic sound of B? What is the phonic sound of C? K. Okay, so our phonic sound is done. Few weeks we learn some letters. Let's quick recall. Okay, so which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. What is the phonic sound of letter A? What is the phonic sound of letter A? A for apple. Apple. A for ankle. Ankle. A for anchor. Anchor. A for ant. Ant. A for apricot. Apricot. A for arrow. Arrow. Now, after A, which letter is come? Yes, after A, letter B. Which letter is this? Letter B. What is the phonic sound of letter B? B. What is the phonic sound of letter B? B. 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 Ball. B. B. Bell. B. B. Book. B. B. Boat. B. B. Banana. B. B. Boy. Okay. So after B, which letter is come? Letter C. Which letter is this? Letter C. C for cow. Cow. C for cat. Cat. C for cake. Wow, very yummy. Cake. C for cone. Cone. C for camel. Camel. So, which letter is this? C letter. So, today which letter we learn? Capital letter C. Okay. take out your textbook, everyone. Kids, so yesterday what did we learn? We learned small letter C. C for cat. So first हमने क्या किया था? We coloring cat, and then we trace the letter C, and then we find the letter C in the pictures, right? And then in second page we write the letter C and trace the letter C. ये हमने कब किया था? कल. Okay. So now today which letter we learn? Capital letter C. Which letter is this? Letter C. इसके पहले हमने कौन सा लेटर सीखा था? Small letter C. So now capital letter C. C for cat. Okay. So what does the sound cat makes? Meow. Right? Cat कैसे बोलती है? Meow. Okay. So now take out your textbook, everyone. Phonic workbook Disney Learning. Okay. So this is our textbook. So now page number 10. Take out your page number 10, everyone. And 11. So first trace and write letter C. So हमें क्या करना है? Pink to blue line trace करना है. सीखो कैसे वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. चलो now take out your crayons and take out your textbook. First write CW sorry and take. Now are you all happy today? Make a smiley. Happy. Yes. Are you all happy today? Okay. So now class of time. First, which letter is this? Capital letter. Small letter. How we trace the capital letter? We start with upside and then we go slowly downside. Letter C. Small letter C. C for clouds. Okay. So now trace and write the capital letter C. So how will we trace the letter C? We start with pink line. आपको बुक में pink line दिख रही है? Yes. So pink to blue line letter C. Right? We trace slowly. Right side curve C. What is the phonic sound of C? K. What is the phonic sound of C? K. 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 C. K. K. C. K. K. C. K. K. C. C for cat. K. K. Cat. C for caterpillar. K. K. Caterpillar. Now our trace part is done. In second row we write the letter C. So how we write the letter C? We start with pink line, then we go right side curve. Letter C. The capital letter C. Letter C. C for cup. Cup. What is the phonic sound of C? Cup. So write slowly. Okay. So now in third row, pink line to blue line. Letter C. C. C, C. So now our class work is done. Kids, so now take out page number 10 and write CW and date. Parents, please guide your children and paste sticker here. हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे स्टिकर पेस्ट करना है, कैपिटल लेटर C. So in back page, where is C here? ये? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Okay, so take out. Slowly. And paste here. Okay. Like this. So now page number 11. Okay. Write CW here and date. Okay. Then HW here. 3 lines in classwork, 1 line in homework. Okay, so write C here with the help of crayons. We start with pink line. C for cat. C for cat. What is the phonic sound of C? Sorry. K. K. What is the phonic sound of C? K. And our homework is done. Okay. So now our class work and homework is done. Now rhymes time. Okay kids, so today we learn a new rhyme, Hindi rhymes. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so first मैं आपको वो rhyme समझाऊंगी. Okay, बारिश आई छम छम छम. अभी कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है? रेनी सीजन. तो रेनी सीजन में क्या होता है? बारिश आती है ना. सो बारिश आई छम छम छम. लेकर छाता निकले हम. लेकर छाता निकले हम. मतलब छाता मतलब U for umbrella. What is the phonic sound of U? Very good. Okay. So लेकर छाता निकले हम. लेकर छाता. आप लोग बारिश में छाता लेकर निकलते हो? Yes. हम लोग बारिश में छाता निकल रही है, राइट? सो लेकर छाता निकले हम. पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम. ओ क्या हुआ? हमारा पैर फिसल गया और गिर गए हम. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. उप्स, क्या हुआ? छाता ऊपर चला गया और हम कहाँ गए? नीचे गिर गए. हमारा पैर फिसल जाता तो हम गिर जाते हैं ना. ओके, सो अगेन नाउ राइम्स. ओके, बारिश आई छम छम छम. छाता लेकर निकले हम. पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. नाउ अगेन, नाउ यू सिंग विथ मी. ओके, बारिश आई छम छम छम. बोलो, बारिश आई छम छम छम. छाता लेकर निकले हम. छाता लेकर निकले हम. पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम. पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. ओके, अगेन बारिश आई छम छम छम. छाता लेकर निकले हम. पैर फिसल गया, गिर गए हम. ऊपर छाता नीचे हम. ओके, सो ये थी हमारी आज की राइम्स, हिंदी राइम्स. ओके, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन. टुडेज क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क इज डन. ये राइम्स आपको घर पे सीखनी है. ओके, एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन. एंजॉय